Okay, so this is a hopefully a problem solving video for you. I usually use Davinci Resolve to edit my videos for YouTube, but I am getting an error when trying to launch it. Let me just see if I can change. Nope. Where it doesn't look at my graphics card, or it can't find it. I never had this issue before. There we go. And it says to update my configuration. So I went in here and then I tried to change to Cuda and then manual, no graphics card. I tried opencl, manual, no graphics card selected. So obviously it can't find anything. I'm just gonna quit this. And then I went into Nvidia and looked for updates. It didn't find any updates because I already have the game ready driver. So I found this setting right here, studio driver, and it immediately tells me you need an installation. So let's try this for a second. I'm just gonna install this one and be right back with you. Okay, so the installation just completed, and let's see if it works. Let's just check. Studio driver is installed. Game driver. Oh, it uninstalls my game driver. I did not know that. Let's see if it's resolved the issue. I didn't even know there was a what's it called? A studio driver, and here you go. That actually fixed my issue. Your Davinci Resolve with Nvidia graphics card. Let's see here. It finds my GeForce 1060. So that's weird, but it fixed it. So if you have this issue, please try this. If this helped, give the video a like, maybe share it with someone else having issues. And thank you so much for watching. Bye now.